Da 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 da. Hi everyone, it's Mr. Alqamoussi. Today we're going to examine the part of speech called the pronoun. Let's take a moment to recall the meaning and purpose of the noun, which is a fundamental component of any complete sentence. The noun often serves as the subject and causes the verb or action in the sentence. People, places, things, and ideas are all nouns. Specific or titled nouns are called proper nouns and are distinguished by a capitalized first letter. But sometimes, to avoid repetition or to simplify a sentence, a word can take the place of a noun. This is called a pronoun. A pronoun is a word or phrase which replaces a noun. Let's look at some examples. In this sentence, it is necessary to specify the noun in order to form a complete thought. But as the paragraph continues, the repetition of the noun can become pretty unnecessary and redundant. Instead of repeating the noun, we can replace it with a pronoun. Depending on the context, any of these examples could be used to substitute for the noun. Pronouns can take the place of any noun in the sentence. If a noun can be placed in that position of the sentence, then a pronoun can be placed there as well. Let's review what we've covered so far. Number your page from 1 to 8. In a moment, you'll see some short sentences. First, identify the nouns in the sentence. Then, try to replace those nouns with suitable pronouns. Let's begin. And now, here are the answers. Thanks for watching.